Now let's read the chapter and underline the dictation words. Open page number 34 in your English book and mention today's date. Lesson 5, The Wise Minister. Look at the picture. Find the things shown below. In this picture, you have to find the things shown. For this, you have to observe the picture carefully. That is, you have to look at the picture carefully. This is a story about a person with great powers of observation. Means he looked at the things carefully. There once lived a king who had a wise and clever minister called Chatur. Underline clever minister, who seemed to know everything. Seemed and everything underline. Wise means having experience, knowledge, and judgment. That is, one who takes right decision. Clever means able to learn, understand, or do something quickly. So, once a king had a wise and clever minister, it appeared that he knew everything. The king came to the conclusion, underline conclusion, that Chatur could read minds. This means the king started to believe that Chatur could read minds. This means he could understand what a person has in his mind. Chatur protested, underline protested, that he couldn't, that he only observed, underline observed things. But the king refused to believe him, underline refused believe, and so they quarreled, underline quarreled. So Chatur was not ready to accept that he could read minds. He said that he only observed the things, but the king was not ready to believe him, and so they quarreled. Quarreled means to disagree on something. Everyone says that you can read minds and you won't even show me how you do it, the king said angrily. Underline angrily. So now the king said to Chatur that everyone says that you can read minds, but you are not ready to tell me that how you do that. I truly cannot read minds, sire. Underline truly. Chatur said quietly, underline quietly. Chatur said that I cannot read minds. Sire is used to address a king. I don't believe what he says. I will trick him into, underline trick, proving he can, thought the king, giving Chatur a sly look, underline sly. So now the king thought that I don't believe what Chatur says, so I will trick him to prove that he can read minds. He gave Chatur a sly look. To give a sly look means a look showing that you know something that others do not know. Let's go riding, underline riding, the king said to Chatur. Chatur and the king rode into the nearby forest and came across a man. So they went for a riding and there they saw a man. Chatur, do you see that man there? Asked the king. Yes, sire, said Chatur. What do you think he does for a living? He does for a living means what he does for earning money. The king asked. He is a carpenter, underline carpenter, your majesty. Chatur replied without hesitation, underline hesitation. Without hesitation means without stopping. And what is his name? The king asked craftily. Underline craftily. Craftily means cleverly. The same as mine, Chatur, said the minister. On this, the minister replied that the man's name is same as my name, Chatur. The king gave him a sharp look and said, Give me some money. He looks hungry and in need of food. So now the king told Chatur to Give the man some money because he looks hungry and in need of food. That's not necessary, sire, said Chatur. He is not hungry. He has just eaten some sweets. Chatur said that there is no need of giving money to that man because he is not hungry. He has just eaten some sweets. You appear to know a lot about a total stranger. Underline stranger. Stranger means a person whom we don't know. The king said stonily. Underline stonily. Stonily means showing no feeling. Now let's ask him and see if you are right. The king said to Chatur that you know a lot about a total stranger. So now let's go and ask him whatever you said is correct or not. Of course he is, the king thought peevishly. Underline peevishly. Peevishly means angrily or in a complaining way. He can read minds. Now the king thought that of course he can read minds. This is all for today. We will read rest of the chapter tomorrow.